then I down.
Where's your duck?
I flew away.
It flew away? Or you threw it away?
Threw the foot. I threw foot too.
Splash me? You want me to splash too?
Yeah.
How about I splash you?
Yeah. I always splashed it.
Splashy, splashy, splashy. You're good at splashing. Splash.
I do that.
What are you doing? You're shaking the whole pool. Whoa. Whoa.
It's an earthquake.
I just splash you.
Uh-oh.
You know, uh-oh, why are you splashing me? No! No! You're gonna splash me in my camera. Oh no!
Daddy.
Ah, that's too much. Now you're gonna fly away? Uh-oh, she's gonna splash you. Ooh, now it's in your hand.
Brush your back. You're fine.
I saw where I
Splashing. Show me how you swim. You gotta go down. That's not how you swim. You can clean up all your toys and put them in the basket?
No, I saw in there.
Is the water cold?
No.
Is the water hot?
I left it down.
Is the water just right?
Yeah.
What is that, a frog?
No.
Is it a...
So tonight's our last night of TV. We're packing up the TV.